Hi, I'm James, and I'm making this cute physics-based mobile game where you are the level. When I started making the game, all of the levels had this bird's eye view. It was how I preferred the game. However, after getting user feedback, people preferred the alternate camera view. So I've remade all the first levels that I've made using this alternate camera view. Don't worry if you like the bird's eye view, it's still there and you can change between the camera angles at any time you want. The game's divided into courses and each course has 9 different levels. This course is the toybox course and today I'm demonstrating the first 3 of those 9 levels. Each level has brand new puzzles, but it also features a few of the old ones. This allows you to explore exciting new things each level, but also gives you a chance to master the skills of each of those puzzles. The goal of each level is to make it relatively easy to finish, so that everybody can finish the level. However, it's going to be very challenging to finish the level quickly. Some levels you can fall off and completely fail, in which case the marble just gets reset and you just have a time penalty. For the second level, my favourite part was these wires that you have to open up, and as you open up, the marble slides down, but if you open them too wide, the marble just falls through. It's such a simple puzzle, and it's so easy to fail, and if you want to do it quickly, risk falling through, and obviously if you do that, you get a time penalty, and your speed may not have been worth it after all. The puzzles were all designed so they could fit on a single screen, and they all do fit on a single screen if you do the bird's eye view. However, with the alternate camera angles, you will see that you get a closer look at different parts of the level. Whenever I fall through the holes in this one, it's just so frustrating, and I really like that that's the final challenge of this level. The third level, I started to explore a bit more with tilt tables and trying to make the paths harder. This one, you can get stuck in the corner really easily. Testing each element is a real joy and one of the best things about making this game, and I love making these tiny tweaks to make sure there's challenge in every puzzle, but they're also relatively easy to complete. The covered maze is one of the most challenging puzzles, and if you want to complete this, you've really got to listen to the sound cues to make sure you know when the ball has hit the walls. If this is the kind of game that you'd like to play, I would love for you to wishlist it on Steam so that I can let you know about a discount on launch. It's going to be released on the 9th or 10th of January, depending where in the world you are. Also, if you like these videos and just enjoy watching them, I'd really love if you subscribe to the YouTube channel too. I'm going to keep adding these videos to show off different parts of the levels. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comments. I always try to reply to everybody who takes the time to give me that feedback.